All right. What's going on, everybody? This would be February 18th. Should be 2 weeks into the 30-day challenge, so we got another 2 weeks to go. Yeah, another 2 weeks to go. 14 days into 30 days. Let's review the day. It was a pretty good, pretty stress-free day. Went back to our strategy of not gambling on penny stocks and just doing bottom reversals on bottom bounces, not top reversals on higher cap stocks, and we had a good day. SSYS was the first stock to pop up on my scanner. Let's take a look at that. So this is what triggered, this here is what was triggering the bottom bounce on the reversal scanner. I wrote it a little bit, was hoping to find some support somewhere along here, and this little bit here I think sort of gave me a tiny glimmer of hope, but then I just realized it just seemed to not have the volume. See how these bars are really small? It's really not what we're looking for in the type of trades we're doing, these scalp trades, because that can just be like super gradual, tiny changes in price throughout the whole day. And in the case of SSYS, that's what it ended up being, just not enough volume to really do anything. A lot of volume here, apparently, to, trigger off the scanner, but then the rest of the day, just sort of consolidation all the way to a gradual decline throughout the day. So glad we got out of there, but we did take a $291 loss, I believe. I believe that's what it was. Yep, $291 loss. Then we proceeded to take 2 losses in a row on Nova because we were essentially, I don't know what I call it, but I guess you call it trying to catch the bottom here. Nova I felt really good about. See how steep this decline is and how big and full these bars are? Definitely more of what I'm looking for here. I loved everything about this trade today. It's just that I kept waiting. I kept trying to find the bottom, and I kept not quite catching the bottom. And then eventually I caught the bottom. I had 2 negative trades in Nova. One was, let me see. Nope, it's not it either. I had a negative 181 trade with Nova, and then a negative 75. And then finally caught the bottom here and rode it all the way up to $46 for a nice $1,200 trade. I think that might be my biggest single trade of the challenge so far. So yeah, I was really happy about that. Perfect trade. Even sold it off. Perfect timing. You can see here it just sort of consolidated the rest of the day. Very, very happy about what happened with Nova. MOS was our other win. Didn't feel as good about MOS, but see, we have a very sharp decline here. It was caused by earnings. And I took a shorter ride on Nova. Ended up making another $265 there. Was pretty happy with it, but wasn't as excited about it as I was with Nova. And then HLF was the last stock that popped up my scanner that I took a look at. And that one, I think I was just bored. I mean, it wasn't as stupid as yesterday where I was legitimately gambling. But it wasn't my most confident trade. I just was sort of like, I'm bored. Maybe I can get to $1,000 today. But I didn't. I took a $100 loss on that, which netted us. Crap, what did that net us? Let's see here. I had the number in my head at one point. Plus 265. Minus 75, minus 181, minus 291. $821 today was our winnings. So pretty stoked about that. That's about it. Nothing interesting. Just kind of went back to what I've been doing this entire challenge and wasn't gambling, just taking trades that I felt confident in and being patient. Going to try to do the same thing tomorrow, but so far it seems like Fridays tend to be like really slow days, and I can almost never find any trades to fit my strategy. One thing I might do different tomorrow is I did notice that a lot of stocks sold off today, so I'm thinking there might be some opportunity for some quick buy-ins in the morning for some very quick corrections for some of these stocks. So I'm going to take a look at Yahoo Finance and try to look at some of the biggest losers from today, and just watch them in the morning. If it looks like I see some volume coming in towards the upside, I may take a quick little ride on some of them. So that'll be it. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.